Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Apologies for the hair. Okay, I just done my housework. Okay, so that's the reason why I also just after done work shower. Okay, I just wanted to come to the live stream now as soon as possible because why? We have been killing it, guys. Game after game after game, prediction after prediction after prediction. All right. And the best part is right, there is no SOP that we changed. Everything stayed the same. All right. However, no, however, whichever method that we use to analyze one most important, the main thing in trading, based on my years of experience, okay, this is what I found out, is control. Okay. So based on our own strategy, we were able to identify who was in control, which is why we are seeing countless and countless and countless amount of wins. I am so happy to be seeing all of the ones that actually joined the Discord community. Okay, and then you guys are showing me all of your profits. I'm very happy to see that, especially when you guys mentioned that you actually learn the strategies and everything that we provide, and it's helping you guys out. I'm very, very happy to hear that. That really made my day. Truly, that made my day. All right. So before we get into today's session, okay, today is going to be an interesting one. So the session is basically going to be about how we actually did our predictions, and then possibly we may be going into New York session today, but we'll see how. Okay, because later on also at 9:30 I have something that I need to go and do. That something is basically cook dinner because I haven't eaten yet. All right, I'm so hungry. But again, I want to make sure I do the live session first for you guys. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, I want to make sure I do the live session first for you guys, and then I will have my supper. All right. I hope you guys already makan already lah. So just give me a moment, guys. Let me just set up a few stuff. Okay, my water is here already. I did this time. My water is here already, but I forgot to turn off a light in my hall. Okay, so just give me a moment. Also, my mom is calling me, so let me answer my mom. Okay, cannot skip your mom's phone, guys. If she call, please answer. All right. You guys enjoy the music first. All right, I'll be back. Give me a moment, huh? Guys, so sorry, so sorry, so sorry. When mom calls, okay, no matter what, stop whatever you guys are doing and answer, okay? Mom and dad, if they call, right, never neglect the call, okay? Very, very important. They are like VIPs, all right? Must always treat them like that, okay? So let me just confirm, if the video is going well or not. Hold on, guys, one moment. I need to make sure this. Then see, the video is not even loading. Then cry. Uh, One moment, guys. Okay. I see the video is fine. All right. So, without further ado, guys, everything I already said already. Everything is here. Okay. Let's get into today's session, shall we? Okay. So, what we actually analyzed today, and what I'm actually very thankful also lah, that all of you guys actually was actually earning quite well today, especially in this one, this pairing. Okay, ETH. I saw a few of you trading, and then also Dogecoin. Oh my God, amazing. Chicken Little, I'm not sure if you're here now, but if you're here means congrats. Really, seriously, congrats. All of you are congrats. Even K, you also took some great trades today. All right. So I should do my intro. I always forget to do my intro. Hi guys, my name is Guna. Okay, so I have been trading for the past 3 years now. Okay, uh, over the course of 3 years, okay, I only found my path to profitability in trading after a year and 7 months. Okay, this was just nothing special lah. Okay, it's just like hard work. Okay, constant, countless hours of back testing and practicing. Okay, it wasn't something that I learned specifically from someone. Okay, I learned a lot of stuff, especially online. Mostly is online because I paid for institution, but I learned nothing, unfortunately. But then majority of the thing I learned myself, and then through back testing, countless of hours through back testing, I managed to find one strategy, okay, which I combine ICT, SMC, but it's don't worry. I know it sounds very, very like, oh, ICT and SMC you combine. SMC is already confusing. ICT is more confusing. Then you combine even more confusing. I know. This may be what you guys are feeling. I know. No. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, it's not like that or anything. I simplify it. I don't like, okay, all of these lines, all of those indicators make my chart be look so scary. You see, okay, you guys look at this, right? Okay, this is all what I do, but this is based on ICT. This is based on SMC. Insane, right? Okay, we literally, okay, but you know what? I don't want to do this. I show you guys proof. Okay, give me a moment. Let me get the screenshot that I sent in our Discord community. Better I show you guys proof. Okay, wait. I take a screenshot with this thing. Okay. I sent this at 5:13 p.m. Okay. Look at this insane move. Okay, look how high the price actually went. Alright. Crazy, right? Look at when I actually announced it. This is when I announced it. Okay. Of course, I will. Let me make sure you guys can see it in the live stream. Yes, you guys can. Look, traders, just keep an eye out that bulls may be present here. Okay, literally before the big move even started, I already called this out. Okay, and few of you have taken this trade and you guys have earned profits. Congratulations. I really wish you guys hold even longer, but I'm still happy that you guys actually, at least you guys earn profits. Okay, if you guys held even longer, some of you close to just about here, which is fine. Like I said, I'm not someone that forces you guys to you should hold your trade. Oh, you should not simply close your trade. Oh, guys, this is my cat. My cat always comes. She helped me actually to make a trade today. Okay, then I earn some profits. Yeah, so I'm quite thankful for my cat. All of this is self-trained. Yeah, so I never force you guys to stay in how to say in the trade purposely. I never force you guys to like, oh, you must be only after a certain amount of pips or whatever, all of that thing nonsense lah. Okay, trading, okay, is a complex platform, very complex. There is no set of rules in terms of how you should trade. The rules, right, that you should set is your own SOPs only. That means in terms of your own trading strategy, what are the things that you would like to see, but do not, okay, put it in your mind that it must happen, because in trading not everything must happen. Trading is complex. I already told this many times. It's a Rubik's cube. Okay, set a very important set of rules, okay, SOPs, that you must ensure that at least a few of them are showing before you take a trade. But don't be the person like, oh, I need to set like five SOPs. Only if all these five SOPs are met, I will take a trade. You can, but it depends how patient are you for all of those five SOPs to hit. Okay, last time I did this, I set only hold on, three SOPs last time. Okay, this is a previous strategy. It did work. Okay, not as beneficial as the one that I'm using now. Okay, normal lah in trading. It's a journey. Okay, we evolve. Who knows? This strategy right now I've been using for very long already. Maybe, okay, just because I have a goal, right, to build this genuine community of traders, which I'm so glad that we are already there lah. Okay, you guys are trading. Okay, you guys are getting a lot better. You guys are able to now predict the markets and then draw similar things that I draw. Okay, one of you guys actually draw fair value gaps today. You guys also able to identify where price is going. Okay, because there's a fair value gap below where liquidity is being swept. That's amazing. Do you know how much of money I have spent just to learn support and resistance, guys? Okay, more than 5 digits in Malaysia ringgit lah. Okay, insane. Okay, and then unfortunately the people there that I pay also, they cannot really trade. This is how we learn. Unfortunately, it's the truth. It's a reality. Okay, but that's why what we're doing here is I'm not going to charge you even a single dollar to teach you how to trade to an advanced level. All right, but of course you need to do one thing. Okay, you need to be able to sacrifice your time, your efforts. Okay, put in the energy that you need in order to become the trader you were meant to be. I will do my part. Okay, I will give you daily mappings. I will give you my predictions. I will give you all of this live stream and plus the in-depth exclusive only Discord members videos. Okay, but of course, this one is genuinely only for traders that truly want it. But still, even though I say this, right, you still don't pay me $1 at all. Okay, it's still free. All right, but you have to trade. That's the only TNC. You have to trade. If you do that, you have access. It's as simple as that. If you do not trade, right, you're just here to just, for example, just learn, join the live stream. Fine, you of course you can still join. You know, there's a link in the description, whereby it says register for free. It is free. Everything is free. I promise. You don't pay me a single dollar, guys. Okay. But if you want to take it a step, you have to trade. Right? But before you go to that step, please, if it's you are the one that genuinely wants to become a trader, all right, then you came to the right place. Please register through the link in the description below. Text me, or you can send me a DM in my Instagram account. All right, just let me know. Hey, Guna, I already registered. Okay, the only TNC is just giving me certain things like in that form we will mention to you what you have to give. Okay, so that our admins will be able to check and verify if your account has been registered properly or not. Okay, once that happens, okay, we will welcome you with open arms into our Discord community. Okay, whereby you then can potentially almost daily be winning all of these games lah. Okay, which to be honest we've been doing quite well for the past few days lah. I'm quite happy. Okay, it always depends on if we are willing enough to take the how to say the action or not. Remember, action, okay, plus action will always equals result. This one is not my saying. This one is something I heard online. They say it's a universal term or universal saying. They said action plus action equals result. It always will equal results. Okay, but if we don't take action, okay, it will always equal nothing. Also, yeah. So you see, it's how to say they make sense now. It really does make sense. Okay, if you take action, there is no way in the world you won't see any sort of results, guys. All right, that is one thing I can promise you. And you guys don't have to be confused now. Oh, what action I must take? There's so many things I need to do. What should I focus on? Wait. Like I said, okay, I'm not here to make it complex. I'm not here to teach you random stuff, okay, like the institutions or that ask you guys to pay so much. Okay, they just purposely teach you so many stuff. For what we want to learn so many stuff, guys? It's like you think about it when we go to SPM, right? All of those mathematical terms, all of this, the ATMAS thing, or you guys are we using that even today, like now? Mm-hmm. No, right? But they teach you it, so there's no point. Trading is the same thing. There is a million. Okay, I don't know a million or not. Okay, but you get that term. What I'm trying to say is there's a lot of strategies, a lot. Okay, and guess what? Most of them work. Actually, most of them work. You can just basically trade off support and resistance. You have a strategy already. Okay, they all work. It just depends on how invested are you to putting in the time, putting the time into back testing, into learning how the market moves. Okay, understanding each pairing, understanding how they react to certain sessions, certain time frames, okay, certain price ranges. That is how you will be able to add in your own strategy. But these things all you need to be able to analyze and understand. And those things all I know how to analyze and understand. Okay, so if you guys are interested, like I said, okay, I'll say it again, please feel free to register through the form in the link in the description below. Text me through that number. Okay, that's my WhatsApp number, or you can send me a DM, and then our admins will just check if your account has been verified properly or not. Then you're welcome to the Discord community for free. Okay, everything that we teach there is for free. Okay, if that sounds interesting, lah, guys. Okay, you can know what to do lah. Okay, I want to keep repeating also, it's a bit weird, right? All right, let's get into today's session, guys. I know just now I was saying a few things, but then confirm I never finish the story. But if you guys watching, right, and you guys like, hey, just now you said something about strategy. I think so lah. But then you never finish what you're saying. You guys just let me know later lah. I will speak to you guys. I will share with you guys. Okay. So guys, today, before I break down, no, I mean I break down this one. Okay, this trade first, and then we will go into Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. I was taking this trade honestly, while I was driving back home. Okay, the reason why I was driving back home because my wife, she has her own business. I would say outing today, so I'm home alone. Oh, so sad. Okay, so my wife actually went for this her business outing. She has her own business as well, so it's all the way in Malacca. Yeah, so I actually helped to send her to the other partners lah, the place there. So then they all, as a girl group, they got guys friend lah to have fun. Okay, if she's watching, hi, miss you. Okay, I don't want to make this cringe. This must be professional. All right, professional. We are professional traders. Yeah, but that's the reason why I was actually trading while I was driving, which is something I do not recommend you guys to do. Please don't do this. Okay, but there's a reason behind. When you drive, okay, your emotions, right? Okay, now my emotions are a lot more stable. Okay, thanks to almost every day of meditation. Okay, trading help a lot in terms of emotion because you have to learn how to control them. Okay, but last time when I used to drive and trade, I cannot focus on driving because my mind will keep thinking what's happening to the trade. So if you are new, okay, and if you're starting out in trading, regardless you saw a golden opportunity, if you are driving, please do not enter a trade. Okay, this one so it's just advice, all right? Because trust me, it will affect you badly. Okay, it did before for me. So then I closed off the trade today for Ethereum, but it went even higher. I should have hold, but I'm still very happy about it. Later we'll speak about it, of what I actually saw. So I said it many times already. I know. Let me say it just one more time. Okay, just one more time. All right. Let's get into today's session. 9:30. Let's see if we can find any opportunity now for New York. So what I noticed based on London. Okay, I didn't trade this pairing. Okay, for Asia. I know a few of you in the Discord community. Okay, you guys did. I saw amazing. Maybe I can show you guys now for proof. I know you guys were thinking, yeah, he just saying this for fun. Okay, sure. That's right here actually. Okay, Chicken Little. I'm not sure if you're watching Chicken Little. If you are, means amazing trades you take today. Oh my god. Okay, so this is one of our Discord community professional traders. Okay, so this was today. Then see, this is the one. Okay, then Dogecoin, okay, ETH, BTC, yeah, amazing, amazing. Also, you went for short. Yeah, so you traded in Asia session. That was amazing. That's right. What's the Asia session? Because actually, there's a lot of screenshots today. Let me check. Yeah. There was Asia session. And then let me show you guys. No. Later I show Ethereum. All right. Later I show Ethereum. Yeah. So this one all is proof. This one is actual people that are trading in our community. Okay. And all of you guys, actually quite fairly new lah. You guys joined, but then you guys already start trading and earning already. So I'm very happy about it. Okay. So what did I notice in London session? Asia, obviously we know. Okay. Bears were actually in control. I highlighted this also in our Discord community, and you guys also went for sell. Amazing job. Okay, good job, really good job. But then bears were in control for this pairing, okay. But in ETH it was different. Okay, ETH bulls were in power. All right, I will share with you guys later. So because ETH I actually went for buy. All right, I will show you guys. Maybe I can edit here. Hold on. Okay. Let me edit here. Maybe I can edit here if I have it in my account. Oh no, I don't have it here. It's okay. No man, later I just show you guys lah. Okay, later I'll just show you guys. So since I noticed, right, okay, in this pairing, okay, bears were actually in power. Okay, obviously this was bears. Bears were actually here. They were present here. Okay, this was bears. Hence the reason why they managed to push price. Okay, very low. Okay, but in this point in time, okay, bulls actually came in. Remember, usually in Asia session and London, okay, is not very how to say not obvious. It's not very often. Okay, two people in power actually comes in. Not very often. Okay, it's not a bad thing. Okay, it's not a bad thing. It's just something that you have to be able to analyze and understand when they happen. Okay, because it's so important lah. Obviously lah, it's important. The reason why it's important is because when they come in power, you know they can move the market. Okay, I always said this before. I will say it again. We must humble ourselves as traders because we have no power to move the market, and that is okay. I always say this. Okay, that is okay. We cannot move the market. It is fine. Why we have to move the market? We don't have to. But what we have to do, we have to be able to analyze who can. We have to be able to find out who can. And then what we do, copy, paste. Simple. This is trading. Okay, for me lah, at least this is trading. Okay, I don't like to make it complex or too complicated. It doesn't make sense to make something that can be understood easily, but make it so complex to the point that it will take you years to get it done. For what? There's no point in it. Okay, that's what I do lah. If you guys are curious, right, feel free to join. The link is in the description below. Okay, if you're interested to become genuine traders, okay, you have to actually take trades lah. Then you will gain access to all of those exclusive videos that we're actually doing. You will see in that video how kindergarten style I actually made all of those teachings. Okay, if you don't trust me lah, everything is for free, by the way. You're not going to lose anything, so why not just register? Okay, by register means please let me know. Then yeah, I can tell my admins to check. Okay, all right. So bulls were actually in power here. So whenever right bulls actually come in power, we know lah, price obviously will move up, right? But I said this before in my live streams, I'll say it again. Usually when they come in power, wherever bears set their footprint, okay, they will go back to that area. Sorry, I cannot say will. I know I always do this. Okay, just remember, okay, I give a disclaimer right now. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm just a genuine trader who has been doing this for the past 3 years plus now. Okay, I'm just sharing my own opinion, my own experience, my own how to say fundamental analysis, technical analysis based on a trader to another trader. Okay, so whenever I say the word will, just put it in your mind. Guna didn't mean it. Guna is saying potential. Okay, it's just I always slip out. I say will. It's not will. Okay, nothing is will in trading. Okay, but most of the time when bulls come in, when initially bears were in power, bulls like to step in the footprint of where bears initially were. Okay, after this happens, usually they will sweep that liquidity, okay, which is done because this is buy side liquidity, like we know lah. Sell side liquidity is taken, then the price will go to buy side liquidity. Sorry, see, I said will again, potentially will go to buy side liquidity, all right, okay, and then once this happens, right, I start to wait and see. First, I thought bears were actually in control again because there was a sweep here and I'm seeing a strong push to the downside. So I was like, oh, okay, bears actually were taking power in Asia. Okay, potentially bears want to come in again in London. Okay, this was what my initial analysis was. Okay, but then this is how I found out. I actually went into the 1 minute time frame. Okay, because this wasn't clear enough for me in the 5 minute time frame. The thing that was clear for me in the 5 minute time frame was showing me bears. But then when I went to the 1 minute time frame, because 1 minute, okay, I will say it upfront, I will say the truth, it is not easy to analyze, especially if you are new to trading. Okay, if you don't learn specific concepts or understand price action. But that is exactly what I teach and what I simplify. So if you are interested, like I said, feel free to register, guys. We will get right into it lah. Okay, I won't delay your time lah to learn it. So When bears were in power here, okay, then I start to see also, all right, so there's a basic trend line here, okay, and then price actually broke below. Maybe it's true. Maybe bears are actually in power. Okay, this is true. I'm just saying what is my thought process here. Okay, I initially wanted to go short here, but thankfully I have a set of SOPs whereby I usually like to wait for a beautiful word. It's called mitigation. Okay, whenever I see bears or bulls in power, I like to see how price respects certain areas. Don't get me wrong, sometimes mitigation price don't even go to. Okay, I faced this quite a few times already. But there is another entry model on how we can actually enter this type of trading strategies. But these are all I will only be teaching into my exclusive Discord members group, which is 100% for free, by the way. Okay, it only depends on if you are genuine. I mean, genuine, of course, you're genuine, you're human. If you genuinely want to become a trader, then you will gain access to that. All right, if that is you, remember, text me and let me know. I won't bite guys, okay? I'm a very friendly one. I like to talk to people. Okay, so you see, when I see this trend line that is forcing, not forcing lah, supporting price up broke, I was like, okay, maybe it is right. We may be seeing bears. I was aiming to enter here, okay? But then I saw a lot more of a beautiful price action towards the bottom side. I was like, oh, okay. Actually, I'm seeing another form of strip here. This one is a lot more prettier. Another thing, okay? This is my mitigation, roughly my mitigation area, okay? This is actually not the real mitigation. What I mean by real mitigation is okay, based on my strategy, okay, wherever mitigation is, let's say if it's towards the buy side, this is how price moves, right? Okay, this is, oh my god, it's terrible drawing, so terrible. Oh guys, hold on, give me a moment. I forgot, okay, to actually announce I'm going live in my Discord community. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, I I got very lost today because I'm home alone after a long time. So yeah, cut me some slack. All right, give me one moment, guys. Okay, this will be very quick. Don't worry. Okay, very quick. Just share this. Okay. Where are you, Discord? Where are you? Sometimes when you think you don't have that much of apps in your iPhone, but then when you start to scroll on it, you start to truly realize how much of apps you actually have in your iPhone. I have like 5 pages of apps. That's like insane. Traders, I'm live now. Host for us today. Yep. All right. Okay, guys. Where were we? Oh yes, uptrend. Okay. If you guys are hearing any cat sounds, right, don't be alarmed. I have two. One of them is trading cat. Okay, so you see, in an uptrend. Okay, when the price is actually moving, of course, up lah. Why I'm saying this again, I do not know. All right, this is how price will move. Okay, and then this is roughly mitigation. Okay, mitigation is basically the middle range lah. Okay, where price becomes equal. Okay, it's neither expensive or cheap. It's in the middle. This is a zone whereby market makers, the people who actually have power, for if you're wondering, these are all market makers. My places that I mark, right? All of these red dots, all right. Oh, square, sorry, dots, not even dot. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, this is all market makers now. Okay, I'm able to identify them based on my own trading strategy, which I give you guys 100% for free. Okay, so you see, if this is a true mitigation, for me, I like to have my mitigation just a little bit lower. Okay, this is my own personal preference. You guys don't have to follow this. Okay, you guys can stick exactly to the mitigation also. That's why I say trading is a very complex thing. Okay, not necessarily confusing. Okay, it's only confusing if you don't know where to start. Okay, what to focus on. Personally, I got focused on a specific type of strategies. Okay, I never say strategies. Okay, which is the wrong thing lah. Obviously, you should not be focusing on more than one strategy. But that's what I did. and I was doing this for I think 3 months straight, like intense, guys, intense backtesting, 3 months straight, and I never benefit from any of them. It totally wasted my time. Yeah, this is all true things. This is all really happened. Uh, but again, I won't say necessarily that was 100% waste, because thanks to that, I'm able to identify a lot more different type of strategies. But I don't use them. I just have it at the back of my head, so I understand what is price doing. That's all. Okay. Do you need to understand them or learn them? My honest opinion, no, not necessarily. Just focus on one thing. Okay. Just make that powerful, guys. Okay. Just keep practicing, practicing, practicing. Just focus on that one thing. I promise you, it will benefit you. But of course, lah, you have to backtest, okay? If you do not backtest your strategy, how will you know how profitable that strategy actually is? Okay, there's no strategy that is 100%. If anybody tell you this, okay, they are lying. Okay, they are not genuine traders. Then trust me, only the market makers, even market maker also got lost. Okay, that's why there's a reason why certain things are called breaker blocks. Okay, whenever the order block only can be set by this market maker. Okay, we cannot set that. Okay, if you guys wondering what is order block, I actually released a video called episode 1. Okay, 100% for free. I guarantee you'll be able to understand, identify, and even teach people after that video. I simplify it to that point that is so easy. Okay, if you guys already watched already and you feel you lie to me, it's not easy, I'm still confused. No problem there, my number is there, my DM is there, you guys can reach out to me and you can complete with me there. Okay, then I'll make it even more easier for you. All right, no worries, man. I'm okay, because my goal is to create genuine trading. Okay, I choose to do this type of live streams. I choose to give my time to teach because it truly makes me happy. My mom is also a teacher, so I grew up seeing her teach a lot of people, and then she helped to change people's life, especially in terms of their job opportunities. Okay, in terms of their exam results. Yeah, so I grew up with that. So maybe that's why I also kind of like to teach. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe. I mean, that makes sense, right? Because the environment that I was in was that environment. Yeah. Okay, so coming back to this. So if this is sorry, if the mitigation proper one is here, I like to set mine a bit lower. Like I said again, this is my Rubik's Cube. This is how I like to play it. You not necessarily have to follow me. So that's why price didn't came into my mitigation area. But did I enter this trade? God, of course I got enter this trade. But I use a different set of SOPs, a different entry method, okay, which allow me to enter this trade. Okay, so this was a very nice trade lah, to be honest lah. It was insanely beautiful the way it went up, guys, this trade. Okay. But again, you see, like I said, I mix ICT, I mix SMC, okay? I mix my own understanding of the market, and you only can see what? A few lines, a box, another line, another line. That's it. That is all. If you tell me this is complex means I will show you guys what is complex. Okay, I have to really show you guys how complex looks like. Okay, all of those colors, all of those extra lines. Ooh, for me, I'm not used to it. Last time I love it. I cannot trade without them. Okay, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, by the way, guys. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. There are traders that I also know who trade solely based off RSI. Okay, for those that are new to trading, okay, basically this is an indicator. Okay, RSI, and then they also trade with MACD. Okay, also indicator. It's also an indicator. So they're making profits. Okay, they're earning also. Just that personally, like my own Rubik's Cube, this is not a combination that I like. Okay, I personally like price action. Price action is a lot more faster. It gives me more clarity. If I use RSI, MACD, I'm able to identify market makers here even before those things can tell me that. Actually, to be honest, those things don't tell me that. It just tell me when price is potentially going to move up or down, but it won't be able to even identify how high price can be moving. But all of this I already got teach you guys in episode 1, 2, and 3. Episode 1, order blocks. Episode 2, support resistance plus liquidity. There's a bonus one there. Okay, liquidity is such an important topic because why? Based on my own trading strategy, That is what I focus on, guys. Liquidity. Liquidity is the main driver for price. Not the only driver for price. Okay, there are also a few other things like fair value gaps, many more. But liquidity is one of the main drivers for price. Not the only one of the main. Okay, without liquidity, price won't move, guys. You guys might be wondering, Guna, I understand what you're saying, but what is liquidity? You keep mentioning this word, liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. What is that? Liquidity means funds. Okay? When you come into the trading platform, okay, there is only two things you can do. See, even more simple, right? When I say right, there's only two things you can do. It's right here, guys. Buy or you can sell. That is it. You cannot do anything else. Okay, you want to dance or anything can, but that is outside of the trading platform. Okay, you only can buy, you only can sell. That is all. Nothing else we can do in trading. Okay, this is the reason why when you sell or you buy, you create liquidity. Okay, when we create liquidity, these market makers, the people that truly can move the market, that is what they hunt. Okay, they hunt liquidity. You see this trend line that we drew here, this is all liquidity. That is why price came all the way down, because they want to take out all of the liquidity ranges here, here, and here. All of these liquidity ranges got taken out. Okay, every time when price moves, right, there is a reason why. Okay, it is our job as traders to read price action. Price action is basically language of price. Okay, this is just something that I'm marking out right now because this was the last footprint of bulls. Okay, of course there's another one here, but I shouldn't say last. The latest footprint of bulls. Okay, these are not important. This liquidity is not important anymore. This mitigation not important. I just wanted to show you guys. This one is not important anymore. Okay, guys, the only there is my cat. Okay, sometimes she like to sing. I don't know why. Disney, hi. What's it? Finding a baby? My cat very weird man. Because the cat that just now you saw, the small one. Okay, her name is Mochi. Okay, she's a trading cat. My cat actually didn't and like her at all. Okay, but fast forward, this cat. This is the cat. Hi. This is the cat. Okay, that didn't like her at all. Her name is Disney. Okay, she used to be a trading cat. Now she's lazy cat. Okay, she hated Mochi like crazy. But now, fast forward after 2 months, she cannot live without her. You see, she's actually calling Mochi, treating her as her baby for some reason. They're not even the same breed. My cat got problem one. I said, don't know, maybe they hang out with humans too much. So like humans is me lah. Okay, you see me also. I also like one kind, right? Yeah, it's my fault. Sorry, Disney. Okay, so guys, let me go into ETH, okay, and share with you why actually I went for the buy, and then we will do our analysis to see where potentially price will be heading to. See, I said will. Whenever I say this, just remember, Luna already told me when he said will, he means potentially. Okay, all right. So see, this is what I saw. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. This is what I saw, guys. Literally this was my entry. The moment this candle came in, I never even wait for mitigation. I entered this. Okay. If you ask me why, there's reasons why. There are multiple reasons why. Okay. For those, if any of you guys actually that have joined the Discord community, if you guys are interested to learn why, okay, why this time Coach Kuna never wait for any mitigation or anything. Okay, there's a reason why. Okay, there are certain things that I saw which I didn't really need to wait for mitigation because I already am able to have a stronger bias in terms of bulls are actually here lah. All right, there's a way how. I will teach that to you guys lah. But this was the first sign of bulls. Okay, then this was my entry after price actually became green. Okay, then I just held price to a certain point. You know what? The funny thing, guys, this was my TPs. Yeah, show you. See these ranges here. Okay, this is actually a trend line. All right, my TP was actually this point here. Okay, look you see, no problem. It hit the TP, but I closed it off roughly here. Again, it is because I'm driving. I didn't really affect my emotion when I'm driving now. Okay, but just based on my long time ago lah, okay, previous experience, especially in driving and trading, it never ended good for me. Okay, most of my trades also always turned out very badly. So that kind of like creeped up on me. I was like, should I risk it? Okay, I'm already in profits right now. Should I risk it? Hello, Durga. Thank you for joining. Hello, Kay. Very good evening to you. Thank you so much for joining. Congratulations to the both of you. I'm so happy. So happy that you guys actually are now analyzing charts already. You guys also are taking trades already and earning profits. So happy when I saw that. Amazing job, guys. Congrats to you. All of this hard work actually is all your own hard work, lah. Okay, all the reward is yours because of the hard work you guys put in. Waiting to learn how to find the mitigation level in Chatsam. Yes, yes. The mitigation, these level things, right? Like I announced today, right? I will be preparing some slides. This will only be exclusive for the Discord community members, lah, which is you guys, lah. Okay. Uh, I will teach you guys in that session. Straight away, I will teach you guys my strategy also. I initially planned I wanted to teach you guys like step by step, okay? Like the next one we're going to go is part 3, right? Okay. But then I was thinking it's okay for me to teach you guys my strategy first because like I said, it's not complicated at all, I promise. Okay. And then we can learn part 3, part 4, part 5. You can just integrate it because trading is a complex thing, is a Rubik's Cube thing. You can change the combination whenever you guys want. Okay. When I teach you my strategy, you guys choose how you guys want to use it. If you want to use exactly like me, can. Why not? If you want to change it, make it better, also can. But if you make it better, don't be selfish. Huh? Teach me also. Okay. We are all traders, huh? Again, my goal, what is my goal? I always say it. Build genuine traders, put us all in a community, okay, very powerful community where we'll be able to help each other at the same time help other people that are genuinely interested in becoming traders, put them in the environment that we are building. Okay, what is backtest? Let me show you. Very good question. As a trader, right, you guys must do this. Okay, you see this replay option in trading view. Yes, this one needs to be in a premium account. Okay, you guys need to pay, but to be honest lah, okay, if you guys genuinely want to be traders, right, you cannot think of this as an expense. Last time I did that. Okay, last time I think of it as an expense that I don't need, but back testing uh, changed my whole trading career, like crazy change. Because why? I'm able to keep on going back at the charts and testing my strategy, keep on testing, learning how the chart is moving. I don't know how many. Well, I got backtest for 2 years worth of data. It took me months to do it, but I backtest 2 years worth of data. Okay, different pairings. As I say, countless of hours I did backtesting. Then only I able to find out this strategy that I'm using today. Because last time I was very focused and very trusting the place that I actually paid a lot of money to learn, but then I realized they actually don't really know how to trade. So then I did my own analysis, my own learning, everything online. I got paid certain people also, traders with traders, to learn in their groups. Actually, they just signal groups lah. It never really made me any benefit lah. But there is a reason why I went into the signal group is because I just want to identify when they tell here buy, here sell, here buy, here sell. I just wanted to learn why. Okay, they won't send why. You have to pay even extra for that, but I don't need to learn why because I got a lot of trading knowledge based on all the things I learned online. So I analyze myself. I will backtest, I will replay. When they say buy or sell, I will go and analyze why they say buy, why they say sell. This one took a lot of time lah for me to find out. Yeah, but thankfully you guys don't have to do the same thing lah like I did because now I can teach you guys directly. So this is backtesting juga. So you can replay, okay? So let's say when it come into a certain level, okay, based on your own strategy, okay, then you can even put buy, okay, you can put sell, okay, then you can just play. You can see how the trade run. You see, oh, profit, oh, we in profit, whoa, so nice. Whoa, TP, belanja everybody. Everybody get Chinese tea. I belanja you guys. Okay, I love Chinese tea. Every time I go, I drink. This is backtesting Durga, by the way. there's a lot more to learn from you, Sam. There's a lot more to learn from each and every one of us. Okay, your analysis is equally important to me as the ones that I share. I never treat you guys different. Okay, in my mind, we are all equal because we are all traders. We are all genuinely interested to become the best version of us lah that we can. Okay, we are helping out each other. Remember this, huh? Put this in your mindset. We are helping out each other because eventually I will need all of you guys help. When we have new members come in, we gotta help out all of them also. Okay, I really hope lah. Okay, we gotta do this, huh, together. I brought premium account from Shopee. Is that yes, very smart. We even spoke about this in a live session. Okay, I did. I should have done that before, but now I'm okay lah. I bought it directly from TradingView. But Shopee one, there's very cheap options. Some of my trading ones also they do this. Very cheap options. You can little I don't know 19 ringgit or something. I think 19 ringgit. You can actually check this out, Durga. You see, even K did it. Maybe you guys also can communicate like how to do it. I'm not sure how. All I know is there is certain steps have to follow, and then you can get a premium account for so much cheaper. My one also I paying quite a bit lah, but I'm okay with it because I use it a lot. I really use it a lot. It's very important to me. But again, like even you buy from Shopee, so it's the same thing. Why not? Right? Why not? Yeah, so if you want, okay, which I highly recommend, do not think this as a how to say as a waste of money. If you want to become a trader, this is an investment. It's an investment in yourself because all the things that I teach you, if you only want to test, right? I'm not saying only Durga, anybody also, even myself. If we only want to test it when the live market happen, like for example, get this order block, okay, literally we have to wait and see what will happen. Then next day, tomorrow we get another test. Then the other day we get another test. But if we can replay, imagine we can test right away. We can test all of our strategies right away because we can replay whenever we want. The way how I do my replays, right, is a bit funny lah. Okay, but I will close my eyes. Okay, I will press this first. Okay, I'll show you what I do. This is what I did. So I don't go in the smaller time frame a bit. I go a little bit bigger. Okay, let's say 1 hour is okay. This is what I do. I zoom out. Okay, the smallest one like this. All right, and then I go here. I press the replay like that, and then I go and press somewhere. That's all. The reason why I do this is because I want to make sure that I don't know how the market is moving. I want to solely based on my own trading strategy. Okay. Another thing I did mistake, right? One mistake I did is when I back testing, when I keep losing, I let the emotion get the best of me. Oh, I cannot trade lah. I'm not a back trader. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Just understand when you back test, okay, it is very good and it's very okay to make losses. When you make losses, right, that is where you can learn. That is the reason of back testing. Okay, maybe after I teach you my strategy, okay, then let's say you got some losses. Okay, maybe it's because the way how we analyze certain things is a little bit different. Okay, maybe we thought this one actually is a buy opportunity, but actually we went to sell. Okay, but then when we go and back test again, okay, then we will analyze. Okay, actually sellers are here. This is a clear sign of sellers. So when clear sign of sellers come in and we're seeing prices respecting this area, we can go for sell. But of course, I don't do like this lah. Okay, do it a bit like live lah. Right? We aim for Asia low. Wow, so happy. Okay, don't do like this. All right, this one is I just showing you example only. All right, but trust me, it is very worth the money. Okay, especially now Shopee have the option, right? Even just cheaper, guys. No need to get the actual like premium real one from it. It's real. It's real also, right? We just need the system. That's all. It's an amazing system. As traders, I highly recommend that you guys invest in it. Alright. Oh, gee, I should. Yes, you should. 19 ringgit. Yes, that's the one I remember. 19 only. Amazing, man. See, this is what I like. See, we're helping out each other already. This is trading community, guys. Okay? Everybody have the same set of goals, same mindset. All of us fighting for the same thing. All of us helping out each other to be the best version that we can be. Okay, this is what I want. This is literally my goal. Okay, and so far we are doing it now. Thanks to you guys also for taking the effort in trying it out. All right. Okay. So, oh yeah, we already done it. Right? Okay, this is my Ethereum. This is actually my entry. For those that actually have joined quite a few of my live stream sessions, especially the exclusive Discord community only videos, right? You'll be able to analyze lah. Okay, this is my entry because bands were actually present here. There was a sweep of liquidity. Okay, on top of that, there was a bullish order block. Sorry, a fair value gap which has been filled and being respected. Okay, the ones that actually joined the part two, this is fried chicken also. Okay, okay, fried chicken is here. So what happened when fried chicken? Based on that, we understand market maker love fried chicken, right? Come in, they will buy, that's why it will go up. The reason why it started to move down because most probably the restroom is here. Okay, this is our concept that we learned that day. This is exactly what we use, guys. Okay, this is exactly what I did on how I actually made my analysis for going for a buy opportunity. Okay, so now let's go back to this bearing. Okay, the reason why I want to focus on this bearing, not only this bearing lah, because actually I will see a few to analyze what is going on first. I went to check also there is no actual news going on for New York session, so that's why 9:30 we see we're not really seeing any price action, not really moving. Price won't be moving. See, that's it. 9:30 actually session opens now, but this is all. Okay, because there's no news, nothing going on. So most probably by 10 to 10:30 like yesterday lah. 10 to 10:30 then we will start to see a lot more of price reaction lah. Okay, so probably it will be around 10:30. Okay, so we will do our live session just a bit more. Okay, let's just analyze a bit and then maybe I will end the live first, but then I'll keep you guys updated lah in our Discord community. So just stay tuned. Okay, the trading opportunity, okay, for New York session we can trade until 12, until 1 also can. All right, so the time frame is very long, don't worry. Okay, just most important thing, we have to be able to identify who is in control. Okay, there's this saying last time, a trader lah, okay, he said if you cannot find liquidity, you are liquidity. When this happens, it's very dangerous, don't trade. Okay, always remember we must be able to identify where is liquidity. It is so important, guys. Okay, so let me just play around a bit. Okay, play around means play here only lah. I just want to see what is going on. Okay, this one I can clear first. So this one is all my earlier analysis. Okay, remove. All right, so I will do my analysis first, guys, then I will share with you. You guys enjoy the music in the background. Have any question, just feel free to ask in the chat. All right, enjoy the music, guys. I hope this music. Okay, guys, potentially we are seeing signs of bulls here. Okay, potentially but again, this is in a 1 minute time frame. All right, let's just see how price is respecting this zone or not for mitigation. And then bulls are already in power in London. Usually in New York, right, we will usually see a manipulation first. That means it will make us think it's going in one direction, but then most of the time it reverse lah. All right, so let's just wait and see. Like I said, even if we keep moving up, we will have opportunity to enter because, like I said, until 1, until 12 also we can trade. New York session, the range is very powerful, guys. Okay, just remember this. Okay, I'm just using all of this to analyze and understand what is going on. Majority, I'm seeing very beautiful sweeps lah. Okay, so if price respect, this can be a potential entry model. Okay, okay, so this is roughly mitigation. This guys, this area here. ETH mitigation didn't came yet. For Ethereum, if price wants to continue its move up, right? Okay, there is a lot of liquidity ranges here. All the way here, all of this is liquidity waiting to be taken up. Okay, how is price reacting? Okay, we're seeing strong bulls and then we're seeing strong bears. Just be aware. We analyze only first. We just be viewers. Let's just view the market first. This one goes below. This is the mini order block here. What is BTC doing? Okay, BTC have a mitigation. So far, it seems respecting the mitigation. There's also trend line. Okay, almost mitigation. Almost. Okay, so just be aware. Don't worry, guys. No need to rush. Very early in the session. Remember, 10 o'clock, the New York Stock Exchange will open also. Another key volume will be coming in. Okay, so you see, the bulls here was not valid. Okay, this is not valid because why? They didn't respect. So we remove this. We try to identify and understand which liquidity is it planning to go and sweep. See, if bears are here, there's a high chance that this earlier footprint of bulls will be taken out. Okay. Price achievement. Okay, there's a sweep here. This liquidity here. That's a beautiful sweep. Very, very beautiful sweep. Okay, these are not important anymore. The mitigation because it didn't respect here also. Okay, let me change the ETH for a while. So I can remove that this is already taken. This is our 5-minute time frame. Okay, this one in 3 minutes will close, but so far we're seeing a sweep here. TH. Okay, price is still moving a bit slow, guys. Let's wait. Earlier, the pairing didn't respect this zone. So far, ETH and BTC is still around resting this area. Okay, this one is already making a move down. Some probably will be coming into this zone, guys. So potentially we can see an entry model for this pairing to initially the bull footprint. Okay, Okay, let's see ETH first. Seeing a move down. This is based on 5 minutes, right? Oh, sorry, I changed the wrong chart already. This one is 5 minutes. We have 1 minute some more before the candle close. Okay, we see how this candle close. If this candle close bearish, okay, then we wait for more candles to see how it form. All right, we want to see a move down because we have two sides of swap liquidity even at the bottom part also. Okay, so right now price is ranging in between this zone. So let's wait and see what is price going to do, because in BTC it seems like price is respecting mitigation. If price is seen respecting mitigation in BTC means that means this is the actual strip of liquidity, so that means bulls are actually in. Okay, we just gonna wait for a while and then see which else liquidity has been swept. Okay, so this one is a 5 minute liquidity that has been swept. Okay, so in BTC actually only the buy side liquidity has been swept so far. Okay, again, don't try to be trust this, I guess. We see this, okay, price respecting, okay, we're seeing bullish candle, don't just respect this. Even though if price continue to move, just wait a while. You must learn to understand the behavior pattern of New York session. New York session behavior pattern is they love to do manipulation. Okay, they know traders, okay, whenever they see strong move up, okay, they will think because the New York session open already, that means now the volume is very strong towards the upside, they will go for buy. But actually majority of the time, okay, the first move up in New York session or down usually is called manipulation phase. All right, so after people all they collect all the people they put buy, then they will start to move in the actual direction of the day, either down or up. But of course lah, this is just something to put in your mind to understand, okay, and to just remember this is how usually New York session works. So then next time when you see the first big move up, okay, especially when session is open, don't act on it straight. Wait first. Always find out who is in control. Okay. See this one. Okay, this is another beautiful strip of liquidity. See, there's a lot of liquidities being swept now. Okay, just below mitigation. This will be my personal mitigation range lah, because I like to put a little bit below. But again, because the session just opened, I'm not gonna enter first. I wait first because I cannot see yet who is going to take power. There's a sweep above, there's a sweep below. Based on BTC, okay, I can see the sweep is above, but price is respecting a mitigation also, and there's liquidity ranges here. On top of that, like I said, usually who is in control, right? The previous one, if it's bulls, okay, it's not a confirmed thing, okay, but most of the time we will start to see the opposite party come in now, okay, because they like to go and step back in the footprint, okay. So if we try to find out where's the footprint for this one, where can we see the footprint? We see this one. This is the footprint, I think. Sorry guys, this one I remove first. This is the footprint. Yeah, this was the footprint of bulls. Very strong footprint, okay. Okay. Okay, price is seem want to move down, okay, but they're still in debate lah. Should we move down? Maybe I don't feel like moving down today. How about you? I talk to myself too much today lah, guys. Okay, so if we start to see bears means potentially this could be a target range. Just remember the range. The range is 95584.4 to what range is this? 95545.6. Right, just remember this range. Okay, we're starting to see move down, move down. Okay. Is there any other form of liquidity? This one, BTC, we're seeing a nice form of liquidity. Okay. We're seeing the trend line liquidity here, which is also magnets to pull price. Wait for us, guys. We have to see more stuff. Huh? Let's see if we go back to Solaris. What happened? Is it Solaris? I keep forgetting this one. Wow. Say strong move down. Okay. So potentially, right, bears are in power. Okay, just this one made a move first. And then we're starting to see mitigation being expected, but not having a strong push up back. So I think bears are in power. Of course, we have to wait a bit more to identify a few more stuff. But so far, based on what we are seeing, it looks like bears are in power, guys. See? Okay, this one never really managed to sweep any form of liquidity also. Got, but not the liquidity ranges that is important to me based on my strategy. Okay, but it seems that bears are in power. Price moving down. If you guys are eventually planning to enter this for sale, right? Okay, of course we're not seeing that much of a strong bias yet because we still want to see who's in power. BTC showing more clear signs here. Okay, ETH not as clear. M5 is quite clear. M5 close to the right candle. Yeah, M5 close to the candle, but now we're seeing a bullish candle up. So there is still certain uncertainty lah, okay, in the market, but BTC seems quite clear lah so far. If you guys planning to enter this, can, but remember to protect capital. This is the most important thing, guys. Okay, without capital, we cannot trade already. So why not prioritize the capital? But just be aware, guys. Just be aware. Okay, even though we can identify certain things right now, okay, just understand this one thing is that, like I said, there's no specific news for US today. There is, but not important ones. Okay, what I mean not important one is that means it won't be really affecting the markets. Okay, but if this happens, right, around 10 to 10:30 is the true wave of how price will move. So let's see, because it's now only 9:50, right? Let's just wait a while more and then we see. Because like I said, price will move on. Okay. We will have time one, we'll have opportunities one. Okay. Let's just mark out certain liquidity range. Like I said, for sell, if going down, we don't need to mark out. We know already is the footprint of the bears, initial footprint. Alright. If we are going for buys, let me see. We can aim for this one, guys. Okay. This for ETH. There's also a lot of footprints initially that have not been taken out yet. Okay. So potentially maybe price will be going to take out these footprints also. Even maybe this one. Okay. New York session very powerful, guys. Alright. Just been at the 10. If you guys got any question, means you guys can ask me. Because to be honest, sometimes you guys ask me question, the chat load quite slow. So I hope live chat, yeah. Hello, I think so. I hope that you guys, if you ask any question and then I never reply, means you ask again. Okay. Okay, I'll put music for you guys first. We wait until 10. Let's see. Also to be aware, right, guys? Okay, this is a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, here also same thing. Okay, the bullish fair value gaps here. So far price has filled it up. Okay, and so far it's not really trading below yet. We're not sure yet, but so far no. In the this pairing, right? Okay, bears were not that present also. Okay, we never really see very clear signs of them, but we're seeing a very strong move towards the downside. Okay, but it doesn't mean that price is really wanting to go down. It doesn't mean that. It doesn't confirm that. All right, we just have to wait for a while because, like I said, okay, 10 o'clock. Okay, is the New York session will open. You see, there's another strip of liquidity here. But again, if you're moving towards the downside, this will be our potential target. Now, basically, is the footprint of the initial bulls that were there. So let's just wait a while because we're not so sure if really bears are the one that want to take control now. In BTC is a bit clear that bears were actually here, a very beautiful sweep or so, and then we start to see a push down. Not necessarily the push I want to see, okay, but you see in ETH, right, there's a sweep of liquidity and then price is now closing above these areas. So there is something that is not balanced yet. Okay, but don't worry, when this happens, right, this is how we are able to predict and understand where is the manipulation happening. Okay, because right now this dual boat is actually 1 minute time frame, and then we can realize in ETH price is closing above these areas. All right, vice versa, in BTC price is closing below. So that means this could potentially be making a sweep of liquidity, and then we can see a move down, or this is the potential sweep of liquidity where bulls actually show their presence, and then we could be seeing a move up. But again, like I said, 10 o'clock. Very nearby, for us, I'm only. Let's see. ISO by right is supposed to end the live already by 9:30. Because I'm supposed to make dinner already. It's okay lah. Let me just wait for you guys and see first lah. Okay, any questions you guys just ask, All right. guys ever watch those trading movies all, and then they have like 7 screen, 8 screen, when I was younger, right, I was thinking, what, for what? To be honest, actually it works. You see, right now we're seeing 2 screens, right? Okay, it's giving me a lot of data. Okay, based on what I can understand now. Okay, so that actually means those movies all make sense, guys. Okay, it's not only for show. Do you need like that kind of setup? No, you don't need it. Okay, but is it more helpful? Yes, it's a lot more helpful because you don't have to cross check, go back and forth, and then see certain things happening. You can just majority see the markets already. Okay, so far we're seeing push down. Okay, we see after price comes to this range, this is the strong push towards the upside. Okay, this is a order block here, right? This range. Because this is a very nice sign of sellers. Okay, let's see the altcoin just now I saw on trend line. Okay, breaking the trend line also. Okay, we have a sweep. Okay, guys, I think bears are in control. You guys can go sell if you want. We have a sweep liquidity here. ETH should start to move down. Let's see how this close. So far we're seeing bears in control. This is the bears. Then we can aim for this, guys. This potential one here. Okay, give me a moment. Okay. Wow, see price, look at price, guys, look at price. You guys can sell or not? Insane, man. See this rejection here, Ethereum. So far, BTC is showing a move down. There's indifference here. So which one making manipulation? But BTC is very beautiful lah, the sweep lah. Okay, so potentially this is going to be the price of where it's going to go. Okay, where is guys? If you guys put sell, right, you guys most probably are right now in profits. Okay, remember, whenever you feel like it, if you want to get out of the trade, if you feel you want to set BE, means you guys can just set. Okay, trade is moving down now. That means this is the bears. This is the breaker block that has been broken. Okay, essentially for ETH also, we're not so sure ETH will reach all the way to this low or not. Okay, but ETH is going down. We just can analyze based on BTC. Once it reach this zone, okay, how it will react. Based on that, we can choose what to do lah. Okay, for ETH. Let's see this one. Sorry, wow, sorry, is really pushing, really pushing. Almost, guys, really almost. What an insanely beautiful move down. Okay, so all of this liquidity has been swept, guys. Also, liquidity is like magnets. Another reason also is because the easy way to explain it is when you guys see magnets, right? Okay, and then when you put it nearby a metal thing, okay, the closer you get, very fast, right, it will go nearby, right? I think you guys got experience this lah. Everybody sure got experience this lah. Price also have similar behavior lah about it lah. So you see like this range, right? When price come nearby it or need, then suddenly you see a push down. Yeah, it's because it's something like that. It's like a magnet. Okay, price is very attracted to liquidity, guys. That's the main driver for price. Okay, guys, let's see. Price move down how. This is the breaker block. Okay, see price respect this or not. The reason why I'm seeing BTC, right? Okay, it is because right for BTC, okay, basically he's like the king lah of crypto. Okay, so based on how he move, right, we'll be able to analyze and see how other markets move as well. And then we must see how they correlate. Are they correlating well or not? Okay, on top of this breaker block here, right, guys, there's also a bearish fair value gap here lah. Okay, let's see ETH. ETH to make a move down. Okay, now making a move up. If you guys just now got enter means, remember to set BE. So far we are still seeing bears in control for BTC lah. BTC very clear, guys. This one we didn't see really clear sign of mitigation, but again lah, we saw at least this breaker block, okay, as the last support area, okay, that was holding price. Okay, this one actually got broken through, very easily got broken through, and then these are the magnet areas also lah. So actually this part all we can enter already. This is another form of entry. I also have one more entry strategy, but then I will teach you guys in a separately in our live session that we will do exclusively in our Discord community. Okay. So far, but Ethereum not as clear as BTC. But usually where BTC go, majority of the markets follow lah. Usually lah. But more of the volume will start to come in, especially when it nearby 10.15 to 10.20 like that. See, start to move up. Let's see how they correlate. Who is doing what? Okay, my stomach making so much of noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I hope you guys makan already lah. Check any question or no? No question so far. Okay. Okay, guys. So far, price is respecting this fair value gap and also this breaker block here. So far, okay. So far, they are relating. If this starts to get disrespected, okay, and the time is around, if it gets disrespected line, the time is around like 10:20 to 10:30, then potentially we're going to see a shift in market movement. Okay, but so far price is respecting. Let me see if there is any other liquidity range. Now, after this, I really want to go and get some food ready. Maybe I go and tap out something already. Okay, so you see, in our 15-minute time frame, all right, we actually have this liquidity range that has been swept also. 15-minute time frame lah, okay. But at the same time, also above also we got liquidity range that have been swept. 15-minute time frame. This is the one. All right. Just remember, guys, don't over trade. Okay. Protecting capital is key. Let me see Solaris. Solaris which area? Wow, that's such amazing. It really going down. Soares was the first one actually to give us an indication that it's going to go down, but not clear indication with showing actually who is in control. Even in the 5 minute, yeah, even in 5 minute also no. 15 minute also no. Yeah, it never really showed that clear of a control. Okay, but it did show a sense that price is going to move down. Dogecoin actually kind of showed, because why, we were able to identify also a trend line. Okay, trend line actually is quite helpful. And then also we have a sweep here. So in Dogecoin also, this was a potential sweep of the market. Okay, if the price is moving up right now, potentially it's because there is a gap here lah. As we can see, this is a gap here. But of course, we have to also be aware of the time, because like I said, 10 to 10:30, during this time only we start to see a lot more volume come in. All right. So guys, okay, I think I will end the session here first. Okay, I will keep you guys updated about this trade lah, about how it actually moves later on. All right. If you guys are actually entering the trade for a sell means, okay, good job. Okay, just remember, protect capital. If you guys already see yourself in profits, you guys choose if you guys want to take it out, okay, or you guys choose if you want to hold. Okay, up to you guys. Like I said, trading is your own Rubik's cube. How you wish to play, which combination you wish to use, up to you. All right. Just let me know if you guys have any questions or how the trade goes later on. Okay, just please feel free to share in our Discord community. I want to go and get some food first. Okay. Any question, me just feel free to ask, guys. I appreciate every single one of you actually joining the session today. All right. There you can see BTC actually moving above. Okay. Nothing very concerning yet as of now, because this fair value gap is up to this point. Okay. We also have one more fair value gap here. So, but this one has been touched already lah. It came in touch, and then we're seeing a move down. So fair value gap is up to this point. So we have this. That's why potentially is moving up. Okay, we just wait and see. If price starts to really disrespect this area, especially within 10 to 10:30 range, okay, then see if we are able to find any buyers or not. Because there are a few liquidity range, especially from below, that we will keep marking out from this now, that has been swept. Okay, keep sweeping liquidity. But BTC, like I said, he's the king. Okay, he run majority of the show. So if he want to move down, majority also will move with him lah. Okay, not necessarily always. I won't say this. All right, I train myself, mustn't say this, but most of the time. Okay, most of the time. You see ETH now going down, so potentially BTC, so we will start to see it moving down. Okay, because they, like I said, they kind of correlate. Dogecoin. Sorry, I shouldn't change this one. Okay. Okay. My stomach keep on telling me, "Oi, go makan, go makan, go makan." Okay, guys. Okay, I actually leave the live stream first. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you for joining. Okay. Later on, I will update you guys and see how this trade is actually moving. And then if there's any potential change, maybe bulls are actually now in power, I will let you guys know. Then we can actually counter back this sell opportunity that we potentially have entered. Okay. No worries, no worries. Thank you so much for joining the live stream today. Okay, guys, have a great one. Any questions, remember, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you guys. All right. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. See you in the next live stream. Huh? Bye.